Hello there. Welcome to Pharma Goals. Today we are going to discuss important topics of jurisprudence part 2. So let's get started. Some important definitions. First is misbranded drugs. If it is so colored, coated, polished, that damage is concealed, or it is made to appear of better therapeutic value than it really is, or if it is not labeled in prescribed manner, or does not contain adequate directions and warnings for use. Second is adulterated drugs. A drug shall be deemed to be adulterated if it consists putrid or decomposed substance, or if it has been packed or stored under insanitary conditions, whereby it may have been contaminated or injurious to health, or if its container is composed in part of any poisonous substance, which may render the contents injurious to health, or if it contains a color rather than prescribed, which may be used for the purpose of coloring only, or if it contains any harmful toxic substance, which may render it injurious to health. Third is spurious drugs. Means a drug imported under a name which belongs to the another drug, or the label or container of which bears the name of an individual or company purporting to be manufacturer of drug, which company does not exists, or which has been substituted wholly or in part by another drug or substance. First understand, and then learn these definitions. Next is storage condition of drugs. Number 1. Drugs stored in cool place. Number 2. Drugs stored in cold place. Number 3. Drugs store at temperature not exceeding 5 degrees Celsius. Number 4. Drugs store in a well-closed container protected from light in a cool place. These are all important conditions are given in various GPAT preparation books. And one who wants to qualify, they should have to memorize these all. Last is definition under section of Drug and Cosmetic Act. This table is also important for GPAT aspirants.